If you're still treating AI like a tool, you're missing out. Listen, here's the thing you have to know. You must treat AI like a thought partner. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use School Psych AI Sophia as a thought partner so that you can be successful in the work that you're doing. Let's jump right in. You're going to head on over to app.schoolpsych.ai. And in this video, we're simply going to talk to Sophia like she's a thought partner. We're going to think through a very complex case. So, hey, Sophia, I'm stuck on a case. I have a fourth grader who's showing academic struggles, but also some concerning social behaviors. The teacher thinks ADHD, parents are thinking a learning disability, and hey, I just need your help, Sophia, because I'm seeing anxiety patterns too. Walk me through how you'd approach the assessment planning for this one in just a few seconds. Our good thought partner, Sophia, provides us a comprehensive assessment plan for this fourth grade student. And Sophia begins with initial data collection methods. And to begin, gather information through multiple sources to understand the student's academic struggles, social difficulties, and potential anxiety patterns. And then Sophia tells us how we can do that. Conducting classroom observations, holding interviews with the teacher and parents. It's actually really good. Reviewing the student's academic history. Very good. And then Sophia goes through some specific assessment tools to evaluate the potential presence of ADHD symptoms, learning disabilities, and anxiety. Consider the following assessment tools. For ADHD symptoms, it provides some recommendations like the Connors, the Vanderbilt. I'm not doing that in school, so I'm going to get rid of that. The CPT, I don't have time to do that, so I'm going to get rid of that. That leaves us with the Connors. And now this is how, again, you're treating Sophia as a thought partner. You might be talking to a colleague. Okay, I like this recommendation. I don't like those. Get rid of the ones that you don't like. Keep the ones that you like. Keep moving. For learning disabilities, it goes with the WJ Achievement, the WISC, and then specific assessments for processing skills. Absolutely love it. Phonological processing. Then it goes through some skills for anxiety. It gives us timeline for conducting those assessments. Very good. I also like that it gives the initial data collection, but then administration of rating scales and factors in 2 to 3 weeks for that. Sophia then gives us some help for differentiating between overlapping symptoms, to differentiate between the symptoms of ADHD, learning disabilities, and anxiety. Consider the following strategies. And then Sophia gives us some of those strategies. What I really like is the collaborative approach here of involving other specialists, the SLP, the OTs, and other specialists as needed. Sophia then goes on to share how we might integrate some of these findings. And finally, she gives us some guidance on discussing these preliminary findings as well. This is just a start. You can go through, you can continue the conversation, you can have Sophia dive deeper into any of these areas that she recommended. As an example, I might want Sophia to differentiate between these overlapping symptoms some more. So then I might copy that section, differentiating between overlapping symptoms, say, hey, Sophia, I need you to go a bit deeper on this section. I'm new to the field, so help me think through this a bit more. Again, we're using Sophia here as a thought partner, as a colleague, as someone who, hey, I'm new to the field. This is a difficult area for me. So help me think through this a bit more. And this is where you'll really start to see Sophia shine, treating her like a partner. And now Sophia gives us a multi-informant approach. Gathering data from multiple sources is crucial. This includes parents, teachers, the student. Yes, Sophia, we have to talk to the student. I love it. Absolutely love it. Analyzing multiple assessments. Considering behavioral and academic profiles. In each one of these sections, Sophia goes into a little bit more depth of how to do that. Examining symptom onset and developmental history. Sophia, you are crushing it right now. This is really good. Implementing targeted trial interventions. And then Sophia gives us a case example. What? Come on now, Sophia. For example, consider a student who exhibits difficulties with sustained attention during reading comprehension tasks, but performs well during hands-on science activities. She then goes on to give us an entire case example That is really, really good. And then she ends with some key considerations of when differentiating between overlapping symptoms, remain mindful of the following key considerations. Awesome. This is very good. But then let's say I wanted to connect what I'm saying with IDEA. I could go back and say, Sophia, give me the IDEA criteria for OHI, for a specific learning disability, for an emotional disability. If you can think it, you can talk to your thought partner, Sophia, about it. Give this a try. Importantly, use Sophia as a thought partner. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and drop in the comments other videos that you hope to see. We could dive into greater detail about that. Until next time, take care, everyone.